Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechOps Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to boot your Windows 11 computer into the safe mode. There are two simple methods you can use. Method 1. Using the Shift key. First, sign out your Windows account you are currently logged into. Now, on the login screen, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding the Shift key, click Restart. After the computer restart, it will enter a troubleshooting menu. From here, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced and Startup Settings, and then click Restart. After restarting, the startup screen will appear. On your keyboard, press number 4 key to enter the safe mode. Your computer will boot into safe mode. Method 2. Using system configuration. Now let's look at the second method. On your computer, press Windows R, open Run dialog box. Type msconfig and click OK. The system configuration window will appear. Go to the Boot tab. Here, tick the Safe Boot, then click OK. Now the computer will ask for a restart. Click Restart. After restarting, computer will automatically boot from the safe mode. Enter your password and login. Very important notice. There is an important issue with the method 2. After you finish your work in safe mode, the computer will boot only safe mode and will not return to the normal mode automatically. How to exit the safe mode? To exit the safe mode, press Windows R, type msconfig and click OK. Go to the Boot tab, untick the Safe Boot, click OK. Restart the computer. Now Windows will start normally. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.